By 2035, guessed 10 years from now, 800 million jobs will disappear. Vanished. Replaced by AI that works 24/7, costs almost nothing, and never complains. Customer service. Gone. Writers. Replaced. Even coders. Yep. AIS. Taking over. Here's the question you need to answer right now. Is your job on the endangered list? Because what I'm about to show you, it's the difference between thriving and struggling in the AI economy. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And it's moving faster than anyone predicted. According to McKinsey Global Institute's 2024 report, 375 million workers will need to completely switch careers by 2030. That's not decades away, that's next year's crisis. Let me show you 3 jobs being eliminated right now as we speak. Example 1. Customer service. Klarna, billion-dollar company. Just replaced 700 human agents with one AI chatbot. 700 people, 1 month. Done. Example 2. Content writers. Sports Illustrated, CNET, BuzzFeed all caught replacing writers with AI. Why pay a human $60,000 a year when AI costs $20 a month? Example 3. Programmers. GitHub Copilot now writes 46% of all code being created. Junior developers who spent years learning to code. Their jobs are evaporating fast. Here's the brutal truth or replacement formula. Repetitive plus predictable equals replaceable. If a robot could watch you work for a week and learn your job, you're in the danger zone. But here's what scares me most. Only 28% of workers are actually preparing for this shift. The other 72%, they're hoping it won't happen to them. Don't be part of that 72%. Alright, let's get real for a second. Let's figure out if you are at risk. 3 simple questions, and I want you to be brutally honest with yourself. Question 1. Is your job mostly repetitive tasks? Some A patterns, different day. Question 2. Can your entire job be done remotely on a computer? No physical presence required? Question 3. Does your work follow clear, predictable rules and patterns? Could you write a manual for it? If you answered yes to 2 or more of those questions, you need to keep watching. This might literally save your career. Oxford Economics found that 67% of current jobs have high automation potential. That means 2 out of 3 people watching this video right now are in the danger zone. But here's the good news, and this is really good news. You can become completely irreplaceable. And I'm about to show you the exact 5 skills that will bulletproof your career. Here's how you become irreplaceable by 2035. I call this the 5 critical skills framework. Master even 3 of these, and you'll be untouchable. Skill number 1, human connection and empathy. Here's what AI will never master. Reading the unsaid, understanding what someone really means beneath their words, building genuine trust. Think about it: sales, therapy, leadership, teaching. These jobs require real human connection. You can't fake empathy with an algorithm. Quick action step. Starting today, practice active listening. When someone talks, put your phone down. Make real eye contact. Actually hear them, not just their words. Skill number 2, creative problem-solving. AI is incredible at following patterns. You know what it absolutely sucks at? Creating solutions to problems it's never seen before. Product designers, brand strategists, innovators, they're asking, what if? Questions that don't have predetermined answers. That's exclusively human territory. Quick action step. Every day this week, ask what if. What if we did this backwards? What if we combined completely unrelated ideas? Train your brain to create, not just execute. Skill number 3, complex decision-making. AI loves black and white. Yes or no. 1 or 0. True or false. But real life is beautifully messy. Executive decisions, medical diagnoses, legal strategy, high-level consulting. These require navigating ethics, context, human values, and gray areas. AI can't make judgment calls that involve wisdom. Quick action step. Start studying case studies in your field. Learn how the best make impossible decisions. Build that judgment muscle. Skill number 4, adaptability and continuous learning. Here's a mind-blowing stat. 60% of the jobs that will exist in 2035 don't even exist today. Read that again. You're not preparing for known careers. You're preparing to learn jobs that haven't been invented yet. The real question isn't, what should I learn? It's how fast can I learn anything? Quick action step. Commit to learning one completely new skill every quarter. Doesn't matter what design, coding, a language. Just prove to yourself you can adapt. Skill number 5, AI collaboration. This is the skill nobody's talking about, and it's the most important one. Don't fight AI. Don't fear it. Partner with it. Winners in 2035 won't be those who resist AI. A graphic designer using AI tools creates in hours what used to take weeks. A writer using AI research becomes a one-person content factory. They're not being replaced, they're being upgraded. Quick action step. Start using AI tools today. ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney. Make it part of your daily workflow. Get comfortable now, not in 2034. All right, time for some real talk. The truth most YouTube creators won't tell you because they're scared of being too negative. You cannot wait until 2034 to start preparing for 2035. Here's the actual timeline that works to 2025. Start learning now, 2030. Mastery achieved, 2035. You thrive while others panic. I see people making 3 catastrophic mistakes. Mistake number 1, ignoring AI entirely. Pretending the revolution isn't happening. Denial is not a strategy. Mistake number 2, learning yesterday's skills. Spending 6 months mastering something AI already does better. That's not upskilling. That's wasted time. Mistake number 3, waiting for the perfect moment to start. Newsflash, it doesn't exist. Perfect is the enemy of done. Start messy. Every single day you wait, AI gets exponentially better, and the gap between you and where you need to be gets exponentially wider. Okay, here's exactly what you need to do right now. Not tomorrow. Not when I have time. Right now. Step 1. Pick one skill from that list, just one. Which resonated most with you? And commit publicly. Drop it in the comments. I'm starting with human connection, or I'm learning AI collaboration. When you commit publicly, you're 10 times more likely to follow through. Step 2. Block off 30 minutes this week. Not when you get around to it. Actually, schedule it. 30 minutes won't ruin your life, but it will change your future. Step 3. Track your progress. Use a journal, an app, whatever works. What gets measured gets done. I've created a complete guide breaking down each skill with specific resources, courses, and a 90-day action plan. It's completely free. Links in the description. Actually use it. Here's your final choice. 2035 will separate the prepared from the replaced. One path. You're thriving. Irreplaceable. Partnering with AI to create value humans couldn't create alone. Other path. You're scrambling. Competing with AI for scraps. Wondering why you didn't start sooner. Which path are you choosing? The people who start today, who take action instead of just consuming content, they're the ones who will own the next decade. Subscribe, and they'll keep you ahead of the curve. Every week, I break down AI trends, future skills, career strategies. Don't get left behind. Look, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare you. The AI revolution is happening, whether we're ready or not. So let's be ready together.